Hi friends, it's time for today's math video. If you'd like to follow along and do the math with me, you need something to count. Two kinds of counters. I'm using pennies that I found around my house, and I'm using dimes around my house, but you can use two types of counters of anything you want. If you want to rip up white paper or rip up red paper and have 10 pieces of each, that's fine. If you can find white buttons and black buttons, that's fine. Just something small that you can count along with us. You'll also need something to write with, and so that you can write those wonderful number bonds or draw the pictures or what have you. All right, let's get started. All right, before we get started, we're going to get our brains ready to math, okay? We're going to do some fluency with some rec and rec, just like we did in the last video. We'll do some 5 groups, and then we're going to do some 10 groups today to get ready for our next module, which is teen numbers, okay? I think it's teen numbers. I'm pretty sure it's teen numbers. Anyways, we'll practice. All right, so here's my rec and rec. Rec and recs have 20 beads. And each group of red and white is 5 each. So this is 5, and this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5. All right, let's get started with 5 groups first. You ready? 5 and 1 more is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. Good. You ready? Here's 5, and 2 more is 7. 5 and 2 is 7. Good job. You ready? Here's 5, and 3 more is 8. 5 and 3 is 8. Good. You ready? Here's 5, and 4 more is 9. 5 and 4 is 9. Say it with me. Great. You ready? Last one. Here's 5, and 5 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Great. All right, let's do some 10 groups now. You ready? I'm going to start by counting up to 10. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you ready? Here's 10 groups. 10 and 1 is 11. Good. 10 and 2 is 12. 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 4 is 14. 10 and 5 is 15. 10 and 6 is 16. 10 and 7 is 17. 10 and 8 is 18. 10 and 9 is 19. And 10 and 10 is 20. Good job, friends. Okay, we're going to continue our math fluency practice with a game of Show Me. I know I can't see what you write today, friends, but that's okay. You can check what you wrote with what I write, okay? Here's how it works. I'm going to say a number sentence like 2 minus 1, and I want you to write it out on your paper. Press pause if you need to, and then you can come back, press play, check what you wrote, and I will have written 2 minus 1. And you can see if it matches. Then I'm going to ask you to answer it. If you don't know the answer at the top of your head, that's okay. You can use your fingers. You can use the counters that you found. Okay? So go ahead and answer it. Press pause. Press play to check your answer. Okay. So equals goes before the answer, and the answer is 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. All right, and that's how we play. We're just going to do a few more, okay, friends? Here we go. Get ready to press pause. Show me 3 minus 1. Pause. All right, you ready to check your answer? 3 minus 1. All right, can you answer 3 minus 1? Pause. All right, you should have wrote equals 2. Thumbs up if you were able to do that in your head. Great. Thumbs up if you had to use your fingers or something to count on. Wonderful. Okay. Math isn't always finding the right answer. Math is using strategies to help you find the answer. All right, you ready? Here's the next one. Show me 3 minus 2. Okay, you should have wrote 3 minus 2. Now show me the answer. Equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. All right, last one. You ready, friends? Show me 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1. You ready? Can you show me the answer to 4 minus 1? Pause. All right, equals 3. All right, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Good work, friends. Okay, it's Moose's birthday, and we're going to have some story problems for his birthday. Let's get started. It's Moose's birthday. Let's invite some friends to his party. You ready? I invited 5 boys and 5 girls. Of course, your name is on the list, friends. 5 boys and 5 girls. How many friends were invited? I want you to stop and pretend that some of your counters are the boys and some of your counters are the girls, and I would like you to build that with objects. Okay, show me what 5 boys and 5 girls looks like with your counters. Pause and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, friends, here's what I built. You ready? So I made the pennies stand for the boys, and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made the dimes stand for the girls, and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And together, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, so we built the party with boys and girls using our objects. So let's draw a picture now. You can either draw along with me, or you can just watch as I draw. Okay, ready? So I'm going to make 4 boys, or 5 boys. I'm so sorry. 5 boys, friends. It says it right here. 5 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 girls. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, friends, I can write a number bond about my story problem. How many boys did Moose invite? 5. How many girls did Moose invite? 5. And together, 5 and 5 make 10. All right. This is what our number bond should be like. You're going to be asked to do number bonds in the later story problems. You ready? Let's continue. Okay, let's put on our party hats. Mom bought 3 green hats and 7 purple hats. How many hats did she buy for us? You ready? Mom bought 3 green hats and 7 purple hats. How many hats did she buy? So what I want you to do is get out your counters. Okay, you should have 2 types. You're going to make one of those counters be the green hats and one of those counters be the purple hats, and show me what 3 and 7 look like with your counters. Pause and then press play when you're ready to check your answer. Friends, this is how I counted out my objects. I let the pennies stand for the 3 green hats, and I made the dimes stand for the 7 purple hats. I counted 1, 2, 3 green hats and 5, 6, 7 purple hats, and that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hats all together. 3 and 7 is 10. All right, friends, we showed the hats with objects. Now we're going to draw a picture. You ready? So the story problem says 3 green hats and 7 purple hats. If you would like to draw this out and then check your answer, that's great. If not, just watch me and you can count along with me. You ready? So 3 green hats. 1, 2, 3. I made triangles because party hats look like cones, and if we flatten that out, it looks like a triangle. So that's why I did that. All right, and 7 purple hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and together that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's write a number bond. Get out your paper and pencil, press pause, write a number bond about the story, and then press play to check your answer. All right, let's check those answers. You ready? How many green hats? 3. How many purple hats? 7. And when we counted them together, we counted 10. All right, that's what your number bond should look like, or the 3 and the 7 can be switched. It's fine. All right, you ready? Let's continue. All right, let's give Moose some presents now. He got 4 red presents and 6 yellow presents. How many presents did he get? He got 4 red and 6 yellow. How many presents did he get? All right, I want you to take out your counters. Let one counter be the red presents, one counter be the yellow presents, and show me what 5 and 6 looks like with your objects. Press pause, work it out, press play when you're ready to check your answer. All right, so here's how I use my counters to show the presents. I let the pennies be the red presents and the dimes be the yellow presents. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4 red presents and 5, 6 yellow presents. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 presents all together. 4 and 6 make 10. Okay, friends, now let's show it with a picture. You're welcome to draw along with me, or you can just watch me draw and count along with me. Are you ready? So the story problem says that we had 4 red presents. 4 red. Let's make them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we gave Moose 6 yellow. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And together, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 presents all together. Let's write a number bond about the story problem, okay? I want you to pause the video, get out something to write with, write out your number bond, Press play and we'll check your answer. Go. All right, let's check your answer. So we gave out 4 red presents, 6 yellow presents, and when we counted it all together, that made 10. Does your number bond look like my number bond? If so, great job. If not, we'll keep practicing. Let's continue. All right, friends, it's time for cake at my friend Moose's birthday party. He loves cake. Let's read what his cake looks like. You ready? He had 2 blue candles and 8 orange candles. How old is Moose today? On his cake were 2 blue candles and 8 orange candles. How old is Moose today? I want you to get out your counters and show me what the candles look like. You ready? So make the blue candles be one type of counter. Make the orange candles be this type of counter, friends, and show me what 2 and 8 looks like. Go ahead, pause. Okay, so here's how I showed the counters with, or the candles with my counters, sorry. I used the pennies as the blue candles and the dimes as the orange candles. I counted out 1, 2 blue candles and 5, 6, 7, 8 orange candles. And when I count them all together, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 and 8 is 10. Okay, so we were able to show the candles with counters. Let's draw a picture. You're welcome to draw along with me at home, or you can watch me draw and count along with me. Are you ready? First thing I'm going to do is build a nice, big, yummy cake. And now let's put on some candles. Are you ready? How many blue candles do we need? 2. 1, 2. And how many orange candles do we need? 8 orange. All right, you ready? Let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's count them all up and see how old Moose is. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moose is 10 years old. Wow. All right, friends, I want you to try to write the number bond all by yourself. So get out something to write with and write your number bond out. Press play on this video and check your answer. Go ahead, press pause and do the number bond. Okay, let's check your answer. You ready? So 2 blue candles and 8 orange candles. And when I counted them all up, I counted 10 because Moose is 10 years old today. Great job. Does your number bond look like my number bond? Good job if so. If not, that's okay. You'll get some more practice in just a minute. Let's continue. All right, friends, last one. You ready? It's time to go home. And Moose isn't going to give you let you go home empty-handed. He's going to give you a party favor, and he's giving out a bracelet. This is what his bracelet looks like. Moose gave each friend a bracelet party favor. The bracelet had 1 pink bead and 9 turquoise beads. How many beads were on the bracelet? The bracelet had 1 pink bead and 9 turquoise beads. How many beads were on the bracelet? All right, I want you to make one counter be the pink beads, one counter be the turquoise beads, and show me what 1 and 9 looks like with your counters. Show me what 1 and 9 looks like with your counters. Go ahead, pause. Come back and check your answer. Okay, friends, I used my coins as the beads. I let the penny be the pink bead and the dimes be the turquoise beads. Let's count. Let's see what I did. I had 1 pink bead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 turquoise beads. And that makes 9, 10. 10 beads altogether. 1 and 9 is 10. Okay, friends, we showed it with our counters. Let's draw a picture. You're welcome to draw along with me, or you can watch me draw and count along. First thing I'm going to do is draw a circle, though, because bracelets are round, right? And it would be easier to draw a bracelet if we had a round shape on our screen. Great. Now I'm going to draw the beads. Are you ready? So, Most gave us a bracelet with 1 pink bead. So I'm going to draw 1 pink bead, friend. And the other beads were turquoise. How many turquoise beads do we need, friends? If we check the story problem, we need 9. Let's count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And together that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads all together. Get out something to write with. Write your number bond for this picture and then press play to check your answer. Ready? All right, friends, let's check your answer. How many pink beads? 1. How many turquoise beads? 9. And that makes, friends, when we count them all together, 10 beads all together on our bracelet. Very good. That's it for me today. Now it's your turn to show what you know. Okay, friends, open up Nearpod and enter code JLNHR. That's JLNHR so that we can get started making 10. All right, friends, you're going to start by making bracelets for Moose's party. You ready? I want to tell you how many beads to color, and then I want you to write a number bond to match your picture. So this slide says, color 5 beads. Write a number bond to match your picture. So I would color 5 beads, and then some were colored and some aren't colored. Write a number bond about the picture. You ready? So then we're going to color 3 beads on this bracelet, 8 beads on this bracelet, 4 beads on this bracelet. And then we have some picture story problems. This one says, Benjamin had 10 bananas. He ate some and dropped the peels. Fill in the number bond to show his bananas. Okay, some are banana peeled, some are regular bananas. Write your number bond to match the picture. This one says that Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. Color 5 of them, friends, and write a number bond about the picture. And finally, you get to be creative. Xavier has 10 baseballs. I want you to draw some of them red and some of them white. Make sure they add up to 10. And then fill in your number bond to match your picture. And then finally, you get to create your own 10 story of 10. Draw your story and a number bond to go with it, okay? All right. That's it for me today, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Happy mathing. Good job today.